can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Ledger and Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at king of all coins in the cryptocurrency market, Ethereum, currently trading above $3,000. We'll be taking a look at Ethereum's 100-day moving average, Ethereum's 200-day moving average. Also look at Ethereum's weekly 100 and 200 moving average. Are we gearing up for one final pump to the moon? Can Ethereum rally towards $4,000? Are we going to see Ethereum dump towards Goblin Town? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Ethereum, the king of all coins, has been having a tough time over the last 3 weeks. We've seen Ethereum rally back towards $4,000 after ETFs were approved, but as it has not started trading, Ethereum has quietly dumped down to Goblin Town, even getting to as low as $2,800, losing around 28% of its value in the last 42 days. But if you zoom out and see what Ethereum has been doing over the last 2 years, it has been a good time for Ethereum holders. We've seen Ethereum go from as low as $1,000, where it was trading in November of 2022, rallying up to as high as $4,000, where it traded on the 13th of March 2024. Ethereum rose by more than 279%. It did all of that in around 487 days. And in that time frame, we saw Ethereum going below the 200-day moving average just once. It did that last summer in August to October. We saw Ethereum trading below the 200-day moving average. It traded there for around 72 days before continuing the pump to the moon. Right now, Ethereum has come below that 200-day moving average. Is this a good buy opportunity, or is this a warning sign for the bad things to come for Ethereum in the coming days and in the coming weeks? If you take a look at what Ethereum has done over its lifetime, you see that Ethereum, anytime it's above this 200-day moving average, is considered bullish, rallying to the moon. And we saw Ethereum in the previous bull market ending come back to this 200-day moving average, have some bounce, and when it went below it, it found it very difficult to pass that 200-day moving average, and that's when we knew the bear market was confirmed. See, when Ethereum went back to hit that 200-day moving average and it couldn't rally above it, the crash was very brutal. Ethereum lost more than 75% of its value in just 78 days. This cryptocurrency market is very volatile. Things can go very, very fast. But right now, we're not in that danger zone. We're not in the side of Ethereum breaking way below the 200-day moving average and going back to test it. Ethereum is currently battling that 200-day moving average, and if you can zoom in, you will see that Ethereum has traded around that price point for 3 consecutive days. Maybe the 4th time is the charm. If we go to Ethereum's 100-day moving average, Ethereum has traded below this moving average quite a while in this bull market. We've seen Ethereum trade below it last summer from August to October. We've seen Ethereum also trade below it from April to May before the ETFs were announced. Right now, Ethereum is also trading below it. So will this be the warning sign? Because on the 100-day moving average, we have seen Ethereum trading below is on the 100-day moving average, we have seen Ethereum trading below 3,344, because that's where Ethereum's 100-day moving average is. Ethereum is trading around $3,000 right now. For Ethereum to go back and test that level, we'll see Ethereum rise by around 8%. I believe Ethereum will have a pump that may exceed that. Ethereum may rally towards $3,600. Why do I have such belief? We have to go to Ethereum's weekly chart for that. Now, Ethereum's weekly chart shows us the price of Ethereum over the course of 1 week. That's each bar here represents 1 week of Ethereum's price action, and Ethereum's 100-day moving average on the weekly time frame tells us Ethereum can easily drop to $2,000. That's where Ethereum's 100-week moving average is currently. I don't think Ethereum will drop in there. Let's go to Ethereum moving average on the weekly. That's the 200-week moving average for Ethereum. That's around $2,193 also. So if we see Ethereum having a big crash, this is a very, very interesting price level to look out for, the $2,100 level. Ethereum has 2 important moving averages sitting there on the weekly time frame. I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum dumping there in the coming days and in the coming weeks. But before then, we might have one final pump to the upside. Why are we expecting one final pump to the upside? Guys, there's going to be good news about the ETFs. You're going to see good news about Ethereum in the newspapers, in articles, on Twitter. And with good news come increase in prices, and with good news comes a lot of people trying to buy more. With good news comes expectation of a new bull market, and I will not be shocked to see the big whales selling at that junction. So we might see Ethereum going back to trade around the $3,600 level. Maybe we get to $3,400. But I see a situation where Ethereum might rally above this price level. Everybody shouting kumbaya, the moon, we're going back to the moon, and then Ethereum will decide whether we'll continue pumping to higher prices or we'll dump to goblin town. Because if you look at Ethereum's price action on the weekly, things are not as rosy as everybody may want to make it seem. Ethereum's 200 week moving average currently sits at $2,100. If Ethereum is going to drop to that level, we see Ethereum dropping by around 28 to 30%. Yes, Ethereum can easily rise by 28 to 30%, which might send us back above $4,200. If Ethereum even gets to that $10,000 level, you might just see Ethereum rallying by around 200+% from where we are currently trading. So is the risk worth the reward? You have to ask yourself that simple question. But guys, don't be lied to. We have seen a huge rise in Ethereum from the bottom of the market, but it seems this bull cycle is different. It seems there's some differences in the ending of this bull cycle. Some people don't want to agree that the bull cycle is ending because we have not seen Ethereum set new all-time highs. We have only seen Bitcoin. But guys, I strongly believe we are almost at the end of a huge cycle for Bitcoin and Ethereum and the whole crypto market that started way back in 2010. And right now, we're in the ending phases where big players are selling. We are seeing governments selling. We're seeing big institutions selling. I will not be shocked to see Ethereum ETF being the top of this whole cycle before we go one more time to goblin town. So maybe, just maybe, Ethereum might make a move for that $4,000 level. But remember, Ethereum has those moving averages that are still around $2,000. I'll not be shocked to see Ethereum gearing towards them. We have not seen Ethereum have any significant price movement over the last 3 to 4 months. If you bought Ethereum right now and you're in big losses, you probably bought when the market was already way up in the moon, because the prices we're trading right now, Ethereum was trading there way back in February of 2024. And from the bottom of the market, if you bought Ethereum in November of 2022, by February of 2024, you would have been up around 182%. And right now, Ethereum is still up around 184%. So most people that are crying that the market is down, they probably bought when the market is top, or they couldn't pull the trigger right here at the bottom. They waited for the top. We might still see one more pump in the market. Guys, drop a dot in the comment section. Do you think I'm hyper bearish on Ethereum? Do you think Ethereum will be heading down to goblin town anytime soon? Or is Ethereum just accumulating for one big pump back to the moon? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.